Welcome to Madox Technologies, your trusted partner in robotic automation and control solutions. Headquartered in Bangalore, we are leading the way in delivering intelligent automation systems that optimize performance, enhance efficiency, and redefine possibilities for industries worldwide. With over 15 years of expertise, operating from India, Malaysia, and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. We deliver tailored, end-to-end solutions to meet diverse industrial needs. Our portfolio includes advanced projects such as machine tending with autonomous mobile robots and cobots, robotic arc welding using MIG and TIG, conveyor solutions and process control solutions using DCS, SCADA, and PLC systems. Our systems are designed with flexibility in mind. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks or tackling highly complex operations, we deliver intelligent solutions tailored to your business needs. From real-time monitoring to predictive maintenance, our control solutions provide you with actionable insights, enabling proactive decision-making and continuous improvement. We partner with businesses locally and globally, understanding their unique challenges and developing customized automation solutions that drive tangible results. Our engineering team is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, ensuring that our clients always stay ahead in the digital transformation journey. Partnering with renowned original equipment manufacturers, we are excited to align with your business goal and work towards a smarter, more efficient future with Madox Technologies.